Hiya, it's Jason and Jason's Jungle. I'm going to check on me tackies today because although they're in buckets, we've had lots of rain. I just want to make sure that they haven't rotted and I want to see how they're getting on. So let's go and empty a bucket. So these are my fingerlings, still growing, but I just want to make sure that they're okay, see how they're getting on. I've got another 8 buckets of these after this, so I'll see if they need to come out now or stay in. I'm just going to roll these over, I'll bring it closer and we'll have a good look at what's in there. Okay, let's crack it up. Nothing yet. Ooh. One little one. Grab it. So that's my score. Not a spud, bit small, but I think if I leave the rest in for another week or 2 or 3, whatever, will they die back. This is one of the odd potatoes that was grown in the potato bag in the cupboard. Don't know what variety it is. I've planted these with only 1 seed potato in each bucket just to see what I get out of them. You can see this one's already starting to die off. So I'll harvest these and we'll see what we get. So that's what's come out of that bucket. There was just 1 seed potato in. Now there's a couple of the tatties that go a bit squidgy, so they might need to come up a bit quicker. But from 1 spud you get a decent handful. If I do that by the rest of the buckets, it's going to be a fair amount. There's a couple more of these buckets that are dying off, so I might as well lift them as well. Let's see what we've got. More reds. So that's after 2 buckets and 2 potatoes. I'll do the next one. Again, it's starting to die off. Let's see what these ones are like, if there's any. Again, they're red, so maybe it's the red ones. I think there was 2 types. There was some reds and some whites. So it looks as if the red ones finish off a bit earlier than the whites, because these seem to be the ones that are dying back now. Well, that's the score out of 3 buckets, which is 3 seed potatoes for the unknown soldiers, and 1 bucket with 3 potatoes for the fingerlings. Might be worth your while to plant the fingerlings 1 potato as well next time. Okay, so that's all I'm going to be harvesting for today. So what needs to be done with these now for them to store is to be put somewhere dark where they can harden the skins and you know, get a bit of air around them and dry off. So I've got a perfect place to put them, and I will see you on my next video then. Ta-ra.